Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back here in my channel sbleo. Friends, how are you? I hope that you all are well and doing great. And today in this video I'm sharing one of very beautiful, practical and stylish type of different sandals and shoes collection with breathable style and different style of heel also. Here you will find all of those designs which are according to your taste also, and these are in fashion and perfectly fit for your lifestyle. Where you see different type of flat and loafers collection. This is one of stunning collection, very helpful, and especially this is one of attractive collection for working ladies. Here you find different type of slingback styles, open mouth sandals which are best for all age group ladies. Similarly, slip-on sandals with some elastic band to adjust around your feet, and wedge style platform sole of different breathable style. These are very popular nowadays. And similarly, where you see different type of sandals with adjustable straps, these are also easy to put on and take off. So friends, keep in touch with this video and go through all these different designs and styles of fashion sandals and flat and loafers which are according to your taste also and according to your requirement also. So I'm sure that you love to see this. Please, if you like this collection, please thumbs up for this video, and you can also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are interested new in my channel, so please subscribe this video channel for more such kind of very beautiful, updated and informative collections of footwears and dress designing ideas. And if you are interested to order one of the pair out of this collection, then just go to description box where you will find the link of that site through which you can easily order one of the pair for yourself. And secondly, if you want these pairs of sandals and shoes in bulk, and you want to take start of any business, then you will find best opportunity for yourself here. And if you want some new designs according to your taste and according to your locality fashion or taste, then you can just send the sample of those footwears to the designers of that given link, and accordingly then they will work on that pairs, and then you can order and start business. Regarding this opportunity, if you want to ask something more, then just go to this comment section where you will drop your comment, and you can ask whatever there in your mind, what you want to ask regarding this collection. As far as the prices are concerned, these are very reasonable and attractive prices, starting from $2 and going on till $10. So this is an extra attractive feature of this beautiful collection, along with its designs and styles and colors. Where you find such type of shoes which are with slip resistant sole, breathable style and slip on style, which are easy to put on and take off. These are best for your casual wear, formal wear, even office wear also. And best collection for walk, running and even for workout also. So if you are enjoying such type of collections, you can also comment in the comment section. Accordingly, according to your taste, such type of more collections can be shared with you people. This collection has a special attraction for yourself because you find all different designs which are in fashion, very practical and stylish. So you can say that this is one of the collection which is the blend of style, beauty, comfortability and practicality according to your requirement also. As these all are high quality sandals and sneakers, shoes. So this is one of durable collection too. where you find different adjustable strap sandals and loafers over here. These are best for all those patients who are suffering from some kind of swelling problem, so they can easily adjust around their feet such type of footwears, as these are very soft and comfortable. So this is one of the best collection for all those ladies who are working and they have to keep one of the pair for longer period of time in their feet. So keep watching, keep in touch, and stay at home, stay blessed and safe. Take a very good care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.